Welcome to LuxQuest, your ultimate destination for discovering the finest investments and luxury lifestyle tips, big assets, top income generating assets in 2024. Investing wisely can help you earn a steady income and build wealth over time. 1. Rental properties. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of income. By owning residential or commercial properties, you can rent them out and earn monthly payments from tenants. This can be a reliable source of passive income. 2. Bonds. Bonds are a safer investment compared to stocks. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or government in exchange for regular interest payments. At the end of the bond's term, you get your initial investment back. Bonds are a good choice for those who want steady, low-risk returns. 3. Stocks or equities. Investing in stocks means buying shares of a company. If the company does well, the value of your shares increases, and you can sell them for a profit. Some stocks also pay dividends, providing regular income in addition to potential gains from the stock price increase. 4. Real estate investment trusts REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. They own and operate income-generating real estate, such as office buildings, shopping malls, and apartments. REITs pay out most of their earnings as dividends, making them a good source of income. 5. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts. While the returns aren't as high as other investments, they are very low risk. Your money is easily accessible, making these accounts a good place to keep emergency funds. 6. Dividend-paying stocks. Some companies regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Investing in these stocks can provide a steady income. Companies with a history of paying and increasing dividends are often stable and profitable. 7. Mutual fund SIP. A systematic investment plan SIP allows you to invest a fixed amount in mutual funds regularly. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. SIPs help you invest consistently and take advantage of compounding returns over time. 8. Farmland. Investing in farmland can be lucrative. Farmland values tend to increase over time, and you can earn money by leasing the land to farmers or through agricultural production. Farmland investments are also considered a hedge against inflation. 9. Certificates of deposit CDs. Money market funds. CDs are low-risk investments offered by banks with fixed interest rates and terms. You agree to keep your money in the CD for a set period, and in return, you get regular interest payments. Money market funds invest in short-term, low-risk securities and offer better returns than regular savings accounts. 10. Small business investing. Investing in a small business can provide high returns if the business is successful. This could involve buying a stake in a local business or starting your own. While riskier than some other investments, successful small businesses can generate significant income. Thanks for watching LuxQuest. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay luxurious.